All right, let's go to Brooks Garner in Houston to talk about the forecast there and maybe even here. I can tell you what it's like here, Brooks.
It feels good.
Oh, yeah. It looks beautiful there, Lynn and Mia. My goodness, L.A. Well, here it's not bad. You know, we've had some cool rainy days, but now it's starting to warm up across the state. In fact, it's in the mid and even upper 80s across central Texas right now. We're checking in with 81 degrees here in Houston under mostly cloudy to overcast skies. The dew point is at 70, so it is a lot more humid in Houston right now than it is in LA. So that's one thing that our Astros won't have to contend with. The air at least will be drier. It's still kind of that clammy Pacific air, but it's not going to be that heavy Gulf of Mexico air that we've got here. But that's not going to affect us at the watch party because the roof is closed. The AC is pumping to cut the humidity, 72 degrees, pleasant conditions for the masses that will be going to Minute Maid to cheer on those Stros in Game 7. Currently 81 at Houston, about 10 degrees cooler though right now in LA, 71 at last check at Dodger Stadium. For the game tonight, it looks like temperatures will be in the mid 60s with some drizzle possible once the sun sets, just like we had last night. If you were watching the game, you saw that mist in the stadium lights. I'm expecting that again today. All right, back here in Southeast Texas, Houston, the rain from this morning is over. We've got clouds in place, but the front that caused the rain is now dissipating. In Los Angeles, there are a lot of clouds around, partly to mostly cloudy skies, a flow from the Pacific Ocean, which means, again, once the sun sets, we'll see those clouds filling in the dappled sunshine, making for such theatrical Southern California landscapes will once again become kind of gloomy. Now, around these parts in Texas, we're also dealing with some low clouds thanks to a lot of deep moisture off of the Gulf of Mexico. A south flow tomorrow, and the remnants of what was a frontal boundary is still in place that could lead to a few scattered showers tomorrow, but our rain chances over the next couple of days, 20 to 30% at best, so don't cancel any outdoor plans. So in our short-term forecast for this evening, we'll see temperatures hanging in the low to mid 70s through 10 o'clock and waking up tomorrow morning to temps around 70 for our overnight lows. I want to show you the big picture, the jet stream, that natural barrier in the sky between the polar cold air to the north and the warm and at times tropical air to the south will stay north of us. So it's a zonal flow. The storms moving from the west coast to the east coast, no intrusions into the south, so no cold air outbreaks, with the exception of maybe next Thursday we'll catch a little bit of some cooler fall air before we get back to that warm tropical stuff. So that preview of fall we had last weekend looks to be just that, a preview, and certainly not the feature film. You get my reference here because we're about to toss back to Lynn and Mia in LA. We've got mid 80s for the next couple of days. Don't forget to fall back Saturday night. It's actually 2 a.m. on Sunday morning, and then mid 80s continue for much of next week. So all in all, our weather here is great. It'll be good weather to celebrate the Astros' big win tonight. Lynn and Mia, back to you in beautiful, sunny Los Angeles. Let's hope we can beat those Dodgers.